Marengo and I have got these watch repairs piling up. We've done these. And these two watches are from the 1940s. Let's see if you can see that. They're not particularly expensive watches, but very soon they're going to be proper antiques. So this one's done. Careful, Ringo. Careful, Ringo. This one's done. This is a nice one. I think this is more expensive than the other. It's rare, more rare for sure. This one it's fixed, but it is going to be forever the 18th because there's a cam damaged inside, and the cost to, or even if you can find it, is very, very doubtful. This is from the 60s, this watch, but if you could find the cam or make one, it's probably worth more than the value of the watch. Keeps good time. The day changes, but the date is stuck at 18 forever and ever. These guys here are more interesting. These are Omega watches, and I have the pieces. Cal 1481 goes in this one. It's quite a nice watch. It's quite heavy. Sometimes these come in kind of like this. The other way up, if you can imagine, like that, but with the entrance hole for the winding mechanism here. They're quite an odd shape. This one's in very good condition on the outside, not so much on the inside. It's a disaster inside. It was damaged by water, and this is the original dial. So it's a very pretty watch. I just got to put it all back together again, haven't we? The same goes. That isn't 1481. This is a Seamaster. You see that? I don't know. It's 1022 movement. Actually 1021. But they're very, very similar. This one, I've fixed the movement, but the cost to replace the insides, all the stuff that goes inside this watch to keep it in place, it's incredible. You just wouldn't believe how much it costs. It's certainly in the high hundreds just for the pieces to hold the movement in place. So until I get the specifications of exactly what parts go where, because it's held by rubber parts and also mechanical metal parts, and it's very, very complicated inside. extremely complicated inside. This one here, it's a bit more generic. I don't know whether we can see. These numbers don't generally relate to the movement. They relate to the case, and sometimes they're fitted with a multitude of movements. This one is another 1481. So we've got so much to do and so little time. But Marengo helps a little. Cheers guys, bye.